Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely day. I'm pretty excited today because I'm finally going to be announcing the winners, both of them. The winners of my most recent giveaway on the channel. This giveaway started like forever ago, like a month ago. And today I'm finally going to be announcing who won the entire full year of IPSY and the full year of BoxyCharm. I have been very excited for this giveaway. I really just want to spread my obsession of subscription boxes just across the nation. Is that a bad idea? Likely. Yes, it is. Because subscription boxes honestly can get a little addicting if you haven't noticed from my channel. But I still thought it would be pretty fun to pass on one of my favorite things to you guys. So this giveaway ran just like all the other giveaways do on my channel. I had you guys leave a comment down below on the giveaway video, and then I popped those comments into a random comment picker on some website on the internet, and then it went through and did its job. So the very first person that was picked out of the comment picker will be the winner of the BoxyCharm giveaway, and then the second person that was picked out of the random comment picker will be the winner of the IPSY giveaway. And those two people will receive a full year of that subscription that they were picked for. Now, if for some reason the winner does not respond to me within 1 week of me contacting them, or if they get back to me and they're like, I don't want your BoxyCharm, which could very well happen. Maybe they have changed their mind, maybe they have already had BoxyCharm or IPSY, whatever it may be, then I will be selecting another winner and I will announce that somewhere on my channel. It might be in another video or it might be on the community tab, something like that. But another winner will be picked until somebody claims the prize. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead and announce first the winner of the 1 year of IPSY subscription. Alrighty guys, the winner of the IPSY for a year is... Yay, congratulations! I really hope you are excited for this prize. IPSY is definitely one of my favorite subscriptions, definitely in like the $10 category. Sorry, Sephora Play. IPSY definitely takes the cake. So if you have not experienced IPSY before, or if you just are getting 2 bags of IPSY now, I really hope that you enjoy your prize. I will definitely be in contact with you very soon, and we will figure out all like how to do it. I'm guessing that I'm just going to order a subscription for a year, an annual subscription, and just have it sent to your house. I'm guessing that's how it works. I really didn't think it through very well, but I'm sure that'll be okay because I know that you can give subscriptions as gifts. So yeah, that's how we'll do it. I just really hope you enjoy your IPSY and getting a little something extra in the mail every month. I think it's kind of fun. Alrighty guys, so next up we have the winner of the 1 year of BoxyCharm. And BoxyCharm happens to be like my favorite subscription out of all of them. I have a lot of subscriptions and it happens to be my personal favorite. Very makeup heavy, full-size products, great value, so I definitely highly hope that you enjoy getting this box. And the winner of the BoxyCharm for 1 whole year is... Woohoo! Congratulations! I really hope you enjoy BoxyCharm as much as I do. It's really great, especially for a person who is trying to like build up their makeup collection and try new products and that kind of thing. So I really hope you like it. And the same thing goes with the IPSY bag. I will subscribe for an annual subscription and have it just shipped straight to your house so you get something in the mail every single month. So I will be in contact with both of you guys really soon, and I hope to hear from you within a week. I am really sorry, but like I said before, if I do not hear back from you within a week, I will be selecting another winner. But for now, I just hope you guys are as excited as I am, and I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who did enter to win and left comments and things like that, and we're really excited for the giveaway. We're definitely going to be doing more giveaways on this channel just because I think it's fun. So stay tuned for those. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, that would also be amazing so you can stay up to date with other unboxing videos because that's kind of what we do around here. And for future giveaways and things like that, that would be absolutely amazing. That is all I have for you guys today. So that is all I have for you guys today. So I just wanted to say again, congratulations to the winners, and I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Also, I'm wearing a dress. I don't know why I'm wearing a dress. It feels unnatural. I am currently still wearing like sweat shorts underneath the dress because I feel like I need some type of sweatshirt material on my person at all times. Look how fluttery the sleeves are. I feel like a mom from the 90s in this dress.